What is going on today, guys? It's cold. We're getting on a plane to go to Texas 2K, and we got Archer right there and JD over there taking a photo of something. And also, apparently, we got like 12 yellow Jeeps right here. You got 3, like 2 more back there and another one, and I don't know what's going on anymore. Anyways, we're at the airport. We're gonna go get on a shuttle because it's cold. Help! Help!
I didn't even think about having
So we found a warm spot at least, but also the shuttle is nowhere to be found now. And I still look like an idiot with this thing around my neck, like choking me. That's breathe. We're good.
Request again.
they're just giving
Request again. Request again.
I want to see the bus driver's feed that just says request pickup, request pickup, request pickup from these two because of my idea. Because I'm just like keep spamming request pickup because maybe they'll come. Nope, this guy's lost. He's not the right guy. Is this our Uber? We got ourselves a shuttle.
I got me a muffin.
Muffin? I got me grapes. Me grapes are good. Archer's in there.
$4 grapes.
Yeah. Archer's in there buying himself grapes too. Anyways, timing, taking forever.
I liked your grape idea. It was a great idea.
We're sleep deprived. Should I use the draggy to test the 0 to 60 on the airplane?
I mean, I think yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
It's sitting in my bag.
I mean,
Okay.
why not?
There we go. 0 to 60 on an airplane, coming in about 2 minutes. We've been left behind by Archer, just completely gone. He was supposed to be 2 people in front of us, and he just left us behind.
Basically.
Rude. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the beautiful state of Texas. We got a BMW. It is a BMW. It's 2011 3 Series, and that's all you need to know. Yeah, this car is definitely a $40 a day car, and you can smell it's a smoker car.
Ooh. That's a nice little portrait up here on the light. Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go. There's your cigarette stains. But it's got a sunroof. And it's got this button right here. This button right here is the fun button. We're at Whataburger. It's Texas tradition. We're trying to find a place to stay because we would like to sleep tonight that's not in the car, and we can't fit 5 people in this car. We don't know where to stay, so we're gonna go into Whataburger and we're gonna look at stuff on a computer because phones suck. I'm filming this next portion out here at the beach. It's very windy. Hello. Say hello. 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 And I'm also filming it with my phone because I didn't want to bring my camera to the beach. But the beach is pretty. The wind is making my hair do some hair things, and not a good way, right? Dude, can I style my hair like that?
Nice hair.
Yeah. Can I style it like this though, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, like this straight up Jimmy Neutron, but discount? Dollar store Jimmy Neutron. Let's go! Archer, you've just given up caring?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Go pee again?
JD, this is the 3rd time you've had to pee now.
Yep.
Okay.
It's number 50.
It's gonna be like that.
Yep.
13-foot
Stop. Michael Jackson, Frozen Bait. Okay. You guys thought that we really wouldn't be able to do some non-car stuff? Of course we're gonna do some car stuff. So out here we found a Explorer ST that Archer wanted to take a look at. And so we used JD to find it, yeah.
I mean, look at the height difference.
Yeah, no, the ST sits nice and beefy because it's on what, 22s or something like that?
Uh-huh. You can see
Oh damn, yeah.
Yeah, they're huge.
headlight casing it's darker.
Archer's gonna be the Explorer ST salesman. I just like the... Ooh, what?
And inside is...
I really like that vertical screen.
Yeah.
That's cool.
The vertical screen, I'm not sure how to feel about.
Very Tesla.
Yeah.
It's too Tesla.
Yep. Oh, I'm gonna squeeze past, sorry. Yeah. Oh, it's Ford. Need a prop rod.
Oh. Go ahead and scrape
There.
the entire inside of the...
That's a beefy engine. Big old twin turbo. The fact that this thing has a strut bar from the factory is actually pretty legit. On a big old SUV, too. What? Oh, third row seating.
Oh!
So you
can fold it up?
Oh, electric power third row seating. That's cool. And now we found a Mercedes dealership, and JD, we had an interesting story happen. Hi. That's all good. That's hot. Can we drive it? Anything? Did a DB11? Yeah, this does. No, the 11's not a backseat.
But I saw a seatbelt.
No, you're right. They do. Yeah, they do. Try it. Nah, worth a shot. Sad. This GT43 is so quiet. Like, it's not also fake exhaust tips. It's not a bad sounding car when you get close to it. Good. This is a big baller car. Satin black G63. 63? Yeah, V8. Big baller. Big car.
Yeah, big car.
Make a killer noise, especially with side pipes. All right, so we got ourselves a room up here at the Hilton to go or something like that. Home to Suites by Hilton. Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna go check, or we got checked in. We're gonna go up to the room, and I will show you guys around the room when we get up there. So these rooms are a little nicer than I was expecting. I was not expecting a microwave and like a full kitchen. Okay, I'm fine with this. This is literally like $100-something a night down in Texas because Texas is cheap. But yeah, king size bed, pull out sofa. Somebody's gotta sleep on the floor, sucks for them. Desk, wardrobe, view of nothing. Damn. Let's plan.
I don't know.
IHOP. Send it.
Nope.
Oh, no, it's all just torque converter shit.
Nope. It's pushing through.
Floor. Oh, it wouldn't even drift. Hey, it's garbage. Slow piece of crap. The IHOP restaurant this used to be a Pizza Hut.
I believe that.
You used to be a Pizza Hut.
No one can out pizza the Hut. Oh, delicious cannolis. Cannolis are good. When you're already like halfway through your thing.
Yep.
Hungry boys.
Hungry boy.
So we mess around until Connor lands?
Yep.
Awesome. Epic. We'll see what shenanigans we get into. Hello. Let me in. Ah, stop honking. I'll bring you back.
My toes are gone. You don't need toes.
Oh god, you're at a fourth person to the car and it immediately gets worse.
What?
Okay.
No.
It
Right.
won't, yes.
Yes.
Multiple times.
Does it have your 12 currently off?
Yeah. No, it won't. JD, you want to show Mexico on our way out?
Oh, yeah.
I want to perform Mexico on the way out.
Fucking Archer just got lost.
I could feel the chair lift up and come back down on my feet.
So be careful, this is a democracy, we'll vote you the down. I don't know if the idea was to rent this car. It was not a
It
good
was cheap. Oh, okay, by the way, I didn't mention this.
Have you been recording this whole time?
Not the whole time. This is Connor. Say hi.
What's up?
Hi. Yeah, we picked him up from the airport. He's a weirdo.
He's like 4 feet tall, 25 pounds.
4 feet taller than you.
Look at you. Not that. Bitch. That was skill. Quality record. Break it.
It's already in the... Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, hey, look, follow me on Instagram at PayDashBack, PAAID. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Recording me? Hey guys, subscribe to their mother channel. Tap in, like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell.
Perfect. Thank you all. See ya. I don't want to sit behind. Literally all traction.
I don't know how to shift this thing. Alright, let's talk about it. K-Man does not mean this cop today.
Barely lost traction.
Got fucking power? It's like, no. No, you made it. What the fuck is this Taco Bell? On that U-turn, if there wasn't 4 people in the car.
We got 4 people in the car. I can't get out.
Oh, I forgot. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm kind of
Stuck now.
Bye.
Oh, my stomach.
Archer can get out. Hey, you want some ketchup?
You guys would not fit back.
Yeah,
I
no.
hope you record those shenanigans.
I got like half of it, and then I was laughing
almost
too
lost
hard.
track.
Yes, a
And then,
good
what,
old-fashioned BMW
But
park.
I started to slide in that corner.
Right here in the drive-thru.
Listen to it. It makes a good noise. It doesn't
like
sound
an
half
inland
bad, but it doesn't sound half bad. I'm gonna end this. I'm gonna end this episode right here. You heard the lady. Subscribe and all that. Bye.